the gold medals on that. Pero hindi naman pwede lahat sa gymnastics. We do have 80 sports po.
About po yung boxing po, ano pong may napag-usapan na rin po so far?
You know, I'm disappointed that it won't be mixed.
Although wala po sa LA, wala atang, I mean, medyo up in the air pa. Ano po yung plans?
I'm sure the POC and Ricky Vargas will actually do everything they can to actually include it in the Olympics. I'm sure also they're meeting already on how to get it approved for the Olympics. So I'll leave it up to them. And once it's all approved, then we're here to support our athletes.
Good morning, Chairman. My question is, you said there's going to be an increase in funding. What's the comfortable budget for next year for PSC? What's it like?
Well, we're just. I can answer that question when I meet. After I meet Pagcor, when I get back from the Paralympics, I am scheduled to meet with him, and if there's someone that can actually, if there's a body that can actually help PSC, is Pagcor.
Yes. As for the Department of Sports, what's the conversation like on this area?
Well, I just heard it on his with Vivian's speech, right? You know, if it's going to help the athlete, if it's going to help sports, Philippine sports, then I'm all for it. But I'm sure I'll be involved in the day-to-day of the Department of Sports, but we'll see.
So wala pang
Wala pa po.
actual talks on this.
Wala pa po.
Thank you.
Chairman, may additional program ba o project ang Philippine Sports Commission sa mga coaches naman? Para pagdating ng PNG Batang Pinoy, yung talent talagang na-develop na, may skills na yung mga kabataan. Ano po bang program o dagdag na program na suporta sa mga NSA sa kanilang mga coaches at PNC?
You know, not just for the NSAs, but for the nation itself. There's a lot of provinces that are asking help for their coaches. Okay, yes, we do have the certificate for coaches 1, 2, and 3. Mga basic coaching courses lang. Pero I think provinces are really hungry for coaching seminars on a specific sport. Because after they go to those 3 certificates of PSC training, they're asking, what's next for me? I do want to get involved in fencing. I do want to get involved in gymnastics. How can I learn? So that's where we have to coordinate with the NSA and actually bring them to these provinces to actually train them to be coaches in their provinces. So it's a collaboration with the NSA and PSC.
Yes, PSA President Nelson Beltran.
Chairman, punta na tayo sa coaches. Happy ba tayo sa naging tulong ng foreign coaches natin sa Olympics?
Yes. We are very happy, but I'm hoping that they can actually help out in our grassroots program to pass the knowledge to our local coaches. And if that happens, then we will actually have an easier time to actually train our coaches in the future in the different provinces. We're making amendments on their contract, or we did already make amendments on their contract that if you are, we have a contract with PSC as a foreign coach, you are supposed to spend how many hours to actually help out PSC in the grassroots.
And wala na yata question, so isingit ko na ito, Chairman. Meron pa raw. Singit ko na to, hindi tanong sports writer, pero naging viral, may mga kunin ko lang i-up para sa benepisyo ng mga nakikinig. Pagkatapos nung naging to si Kaloy, viral sa social media, dapat daw yung pondo para sa basketball at sa volleyball, ilagay na lang daw sa mga pwede kang magsalita tungkol doon, Chairman.
Basketball is still our favorite sport. Okay, and that's the funding naman from for basketball is not really coming from government. These are all from private corporations. But if the government and private corporations just can find the balance and realize that we can actually compete internationally in other sports, then we'll all be all good. We just have to find the balance.
Good morning, Chairman. Ivan C. from the Daily Tribune. Follow up lang din po kanina on the earlier question. Yung nangyari po sa Paris and Tokyo was not only dahil hindi din nagkaroon, pero dahil nagtulong sa mga sa ating mga doctors like si Doc Karen tsaka po si Ma'am Janet Arroyo. So siguro tanong ko lang rin po, ano pa po yung mga pwedeng upgrades po for the EPSAS and to make sure na rin po na every athlete will get that Olympic treatment po.
Well, it's in my office already also with Chris to upgrade our EPSAS. If you go in there, the machines for rehabbing our athletes is, I don't want to say substandard, but not fit for athletes that for our elite athletes. So, Chairman Fritz, Commissioner Fritz Gaston is actually reviewing and studying on the changes we will make for the elite training and EPSAS as well.
Last question, follow-up sa social media from Jet Elayo. Nag-guest po yung ABAP sa PSA Forum nung Martes. Tuloy-tuloy pa ba ang suporta ninyo sa ABAP even though kahit nanganganib na matanggal ang boxing sa 2028 LA, na wag naman sana mangyari?
Yes po. As long as they have events here or abroad, we will support them.
Okay, so lahat ng kwento na at report na gawa na ni PSC Chairman Richard Bachman. By the way, we would like to acknowledge Commissioner Bong, who is also here at this hall. So, of course, all hardworking commissioners of the BSC. But si Bong po yung nandito. So, yung parting words ni Chairman before he again leave for Paris for the Paralympic Games. Yes, Chairman.
Maraming salamat po, and hopefully we still have our Paralympics athletes. Please continue to support our athletes. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Richard Bachman. Mabuhay ang ating mga atleta, more power to the Sports Commission and Philippine Sports in general. Morning.
Thank you.